Hello. Good morning to all my loved ones today. God bless you all for me. Good morning to all my friends, to all my family in the house. God bless you all. All weather is back again. You know, whenever you see all weather, meaning there's good news for you, there's information, there is advice you need to know. Very, very important. This one is just a, can I call it advice? This my platform is made for good things. Is made for information. It's not made for problem. To be narrating, to be showing picture, to be showing things that is not really good. I just pray today that God should give me the spirit of calmness to be calm concerning what I'm going to talk about. I don't really know why Africans, some of them, I don't really know why they are difficult to deal with. Please, guys, let me just apologize if, for example, I'm going to talk harsh. If I'm not calm, please. And if I'm talking, I'm not referring to the good ones. I'm not referring to the responsible people. We are responsible. Some of Nigerians, if they talk or if they behave, if they tell you they are from Nigeria, you won't believe, due to their character, because they have brain, they have the common sense, which is not common. Please, anything I'm saying, I'm not trying to offend anyone. I'm just saying the reality. I'm saying the truth. Some of us, we are good. Why some of us? I don't know what they used to call their novel. Please, guys, before I start, I would like to appreciate that you're just Steve. I want to appreciate you, Kobaba, Uwese. Ma ya fe no Uwese no one. Oh, como I say. Ma ya fe no Uwese no one. Ma ya na Uwese na. Oh, como I say. Ma ya na Uwese na. Oh, appreciate emi no wuniye. For j'avais terminé. You have been coming to my shop. Uriye store me. We ire otie bonwe. Okwakwo ire otie bonwe, but uja wegbe. Umage mo woka una yo boy as even si kegbe. Wene otemo bahai. Uwese baba. La lele. Because we are dole lu no agbon. We ya we setting with me. O ma be ni ave o ni ve appreciate. I will also like to appreciate this our brother Usas. I thank the Lord. I think so. Because if I say Brother Usas, I don't think many people will know him. But I thank the Lord. It seems to me is his name. So I appreciate you, Brother Uwesi. We peace in we know that. No but I don't really know the problem of some of our Africans, Nigeria people. Uwe say baba igbonwa. Brother that other brother that came with his wife, God bless you, sir. I don't really know your name. You just came to enjoy yourself with your wife, but you saw what happened. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate your concern and your wife concern too. Wamale, a lot of people, they are not coming to my bar. Responsible people, they are not coming to my bar because they know that there, before you know it, they will start breaking bottle. Before you know it, they will start shouting. That is why some of them, before they come, they will call me. Please, I need this. Prepare it down for me. When I come, I pick it and move. This is what some of our people are doing. Not because they don't like to come to Africa bar or they don't like to enjoy themselves. It's just because due to the character we are exhibiting. Please, guys, let us change. I don't even know how to talk with you guys. Brother Samore, sorry, we sunu here sunu anywhere because one, I said it before. Anybody that come to my bar before again to come and fight, to come and misbehave, I will use it as an example. I said it before. If you don't follow me on my YouTube, though I just create this platform just to give information, to make sure that things are okay, things we are lacking of, we can also get it. This is the reason. But not to come and be fighting, to be showing video, to be talking about those our character. The main reason why I would like to measure your name. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. Sometimes, many times. But this recent one is what will provoke me to measure your name. And if you don't come to my bar, please just try to understand my explanation. If you don't come to my bar and misbehave, I don't have anything to do with you. I cannot expose you. I cannot talk about you. If I want to talk about you, it's your good things I'm going to talk about. Because this platform is not made for those nonsense. It's not made for those nonsense. The last time, it wasn't up to a month. More or less, 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Let's say a month. You were shouting, but don't you know that shouting, fighting is not allowed? Don't you know it? Well, here in Europe, you cannot fight. Who setting bina? Agbena vevona. Wala wo. Wari inyenoma gie. Eni bioma wa. Wala wo. Ido yimi wa. Wagagi je ba. Wagagi je restaurant ya agbena. Oma ese moti. Uhia wa belele geni wa begbina. Utie bogu mana bano ewa. For this life again? Woman abano ewa ne you were just, I don't want to be repeating all the words you were using, which was so bad to hear. E ba we kiana do we kiana ba do behave be abi character na. And we what here? Sorry. But you will still be doing it, you'll be saying sorry. Does it make you responsible? Or my sunwe no hin. You perform that nonsense in my bar. Then, no day, how is it possible? I don't just know what to talk. I don't want, you see, I just pray that God should give me the spirit of calmness. To be calm. If not, when I don't want to talk something you will not like. Please. If you know you have problem, I've been saying it in my video. If you know you have problem, never you go to bar or restaurant. Never you go to bar or restaurant and fight the person. Una wa be buenesi wa be ade. Wa be do atie bonera bije, eri wa gwoga imoto. O we to buy car here in Europe or easier. Uve mi wa no be di moto, ma be setting we appreciate it. Imoto uwe mi ya. Uki ave gwoga ni moto. Must you destroy that car in front of my bar? Where wa shati? Wo wukin agbena? Wo wukin agwoge? There wona na wa yebeje. Bros even la wo. If there is any way you can change your character. Your character is disgusting. Really, for real. It's really disgusting. Anyway, the last month or maybe say moti. Uwe would gbebere. Uwe when you wa take karawa je business in maybe vania every time. Every time. On one video where someone just video you don't like it. At least you're supposed to call the person. Wayagba enjoy. Ebeden wajo. Wayagba enjoy everybody. Why enjoy for ne? When I walk by one of my problem with that one video where one is bar. The only one bar we have in this city. You want to use your character to spoil my business? Like seriously? I don't just know how to classify your character. I don't hate you. I hate your character. Okay, let's talk. Baba la wo. If there is anything, take it coolly. Or edobe watai. Ba anagbina. Uwe oteme worry. You anything stupid. Yeah, when it is stupid, do whatever you like. Do anything you want to do. At the beginning, that is one way video. That is what I like here. And he came a live video. Egbeme yanyo. Wakia wa be do ti ogba le gbe me. Vevini ma okpa enva iba me ma okpa enva. Waya groove ne be kenu wajo. Grooving is allowed. You can do it anywhere you want to do. On my way birthday, only invite one. We had the okay. Come and rejoice with me. Come and enjoy with me. Come and celebrate with me. After that, or when I can be call over and where that person was in that place, for you to say, no, I don't want to. With this my hot temper, I don't want to go that bar. If I go that bar, it will be a problem. With this reason, let me stay at my home. Tomorrow, I will deal with this person. You were insulted. You were insulting the mother, the father. No. Please. I beg you with the name of God. Change your character. I don't hate you, but I hate your character. Abidare na perform nonsense na. Who okay? Eredi yamaye calm down. Eredi yaje uka when ya ke Nigeria reni, but when whatever after many years. Anywhere atawo agwage yere moto. You think if you destroy that car, you will go free here in Europe? You think you will go free? You think you will go free? You think it's possible for you to do it and go free? Like, no. Please, I beg you with the name of God. Lao, change your character way. Change your character way. Mama, you might be near your fiancé. Good name is better than riches. Or twin, or moji, or anywhere agbolige uwaki, on a queen we are day, on a ye well legbe, on a web, on a break a video, on a mudai, on a mudanesi. If you know each other soon, you one. Because a video ni wa mi ene even though I show a face of uwa and the face of uwa a face of ima oni ye mwejo de ga ni many to tamu gwa me we live video where get pa where get ye gwewo de ga ni na ise get pan fio because I get a boy pa ya ma we na live mama no dey do live video but utes one aka mi ne but a boy dey get ka na live mama no dey do live video when you go dey gbe sun Baba no help me ba Jojane. I have everything here. Ima only show wa get a video ni that was emergency video, live video. Because if face will ma show or ima be only show if face where don't show or I don't know. But even nina ya no kwa ya aka wukunya gwogi moto yere. Ine ya. La baba ime do imi we o rezo. Change your character we la wo. You are too big for that. You are too big for that. Though we're not promising me where if you do anything stupid, I should do whatever I like to do. I'm supposed to do it for the beginning. I'm supposed to put you on life at the beginning. But in my only tell where why you push on my way, you know my no ma wala wo. Any no market any ma. Like that man, not okay. Now the vote in here. If he's able to win, he's going to clean Masharata. He's going to clear Masharata. Like that place, you need to lock because of Africans that are fighting there. If you don't follow me on my video, on my YouTube post, it's just the way we are fair no sono. It's just the way we no sono. By me, and I do agbena. There, that one is a different case. Okay. They started the fight there. That one is different than you were having problem with this brother. And this brother did well yesterday too. He did well yesterday. He was telling you, oteme gala di baye, mwana garia mawa, which is earnest. Garia mawa, garia, uwe oni, umawe okay, let me calm down. Let me calm my tempo down, my temper down. Wait, you are bigger than that. Or say no, you change. La wo anybody can return anybody know they. I will start it from the beginning. I will start it. I will start it from the beginning. Because if at all that guy did online that guy was online. He didn't do bad. Way me down because a particular aje oga away life. Okay, we no even sunu neni. It's your duty to call this man. Brother Ernest, what you did, I don't like it. How can you do that? I don't like it. Finito. It is something you need to settle there or settle in your own house. E police ove guimete ve ivie vuven per favore se vuoi litigare non litiga davanti basu. E police o ive turn ive ma ive Africa no ve do agbena because iya ve do gbena be wa. Let me tell you the story. You know the story. Iya ve do gbena ogbale police avere. Ave do gbe document ave gbene mi ya gbene yoto. In other words, this one they cannot go free. Iya magbena beba vani ezo na solonia de oni magi veri go wanwe esto ime wakiana do adwe esto me wakiana do adwe gbe no sense ni na we o mana leleve I will deal with the boy o ma leleve ari kwesura no ata mi ya we mo tiki anyo ni ya ba me pe yan na so igbena ni o wa yan ke ame da banamish yan ke so ame the problem. That is why I took that boy to police. When the guy now explained what happened to the police was telling the man, the guy, per favore, say, voi litigare, no litiga davanti basu. Just imagine. Just imagine. Per favore, say, voi litigare. If you want to fight, don't fight in the front of a shop. Go to another place and fight. This is what police people told this person. Ezo iwaso no webu we wabu ede wa do gbo mani wa la wowo. E no sense na ima ni de la o. It's too much. Omo no wa assign ni ya clean masharata. Tomorrow the man will be hearing again that they are fighting there. What do you expect him to do? Where the man will not react now, we will say he's a bad person. You will say he's a bad person or he's a racist. How many times have you seen Italian people fighting with bottles, shouting along the streets? I beg you with the name of God. I beg everyone with the name of God. If you have problem, I'm not referring to only my bar. I know some of Africans, they are doing it. The one that just have the character, that don't have common sense, which is not common. This is what they are doing. You go to bar, you go to restaurant, you go to supermarket and be fooling yourself, which is very bad. Please, my loved ones, my people, stop fighting. Stop disgracing yourself. Stop bringing the name of Africans down. Nigerians. Please. Let us be proud of our country, where we are coming from. Let us be proud of it. Sometimes, for me to say I'm from Africa, I'm from Nigeria, I find it difficult. Sometimes, which is true. I find it difficult because if you see some characters, if you are not close to Nigerians, you don't know the character. You will know that they still have that character inside them. The other man was saying, okay, Gapba. You were shouting, who are Imoto. You think you will go free? Where me vitalo no begbe na we agwogi moto egbe yan agwogi moto imoto ma setting there. That will, I don't want to be provoked, please. And if you want to fight, don't come to my bar. Don't come, please. I beg you. La wo baba. Why many problem with your friends or with anybody? Don't come to my bar. Only when you don't have my well, not only you, to all Africans, Nigerians that lose their brain. They are lost their brain in Nigeria. Some of them. Please, the people that are fighting, if you know, if you know that alcohol is not good for your system, never you drink. That's number one. 2, if you know you have problem with your friends, don't go to bar and be fighting. Don't go to bar and be fighting. It's not good to see. Please. Not only this market. Please. All over Europe. Never you fight in Africa bar, Africa store, on the streets, in supermarkets. Never you fight. Please, I beg you. Stop this nonsense. It's not a good thing to say. Please, I beg you. I beg you with the name of God. Stop fighting. Stop fooling yourself. Please. This is the advice I just decided, okay, let me give this advice. Please. Next time, if you come to my bar, I will start it from the beginning. I will make sure I put your face. Not that I don't have your face. I don't have it. I have it with me. But I don't like to do it. I don't want to be doing it. This is not what I opened this platform for. It's for good information, for advice, for people to grow. I know a lot of people, they want that bar to be closed. They just want it to be closed. But many people are still happy to have a place to go. They like that place to be going. There is no bar, there is no restaurant in this city. Only one bar we have. Please. If you want us to close it, we can close it. It's not a problem. If I should lock that bar today, my husband will be the happiest person in the whole world. Because why? He said, I don't have time for my own self. I don't have time for my children. I don't have time for my husband. I was just trying to organize it. Let me try to organize it so that everything will be okay. If they lock it, it's not a problem. If you want them to lock it, it's not a problem. But it will pay me. It will pay some people. Only 2 days I was not around when someone locked the bar. People were calling me, Mama, don't say, where are you? Where are you? If you lock this place, it will pain us. Because this is a place we eat. We eat African food. There are many people that don't have the opportunity to be cooking at home. They don't have time to be cooking at home. Some of them who don't even want to stay, they call me. Please prepare this thing for me. Prepare this thing for me. Prepare this thing for me. I will prepare it. When they just come, then I will hand over it to them. I will give it to them. This is how it functions. Please, I beg you with the name of God. My Africans in Europe, stop fighting in bar, in restaurants, in a public place. Don't fight. Don't use bottle to be fighting. Remind you, if you come to my bar, I will do the video. I have it. You see the emergency video I did. Even though the face was not there. I have the face, but I don't want to put it. And I wish I didn't do it. They will start. They wouldn't have stopped. Osayomore, please, you are bigger than that. You are bigger than that. Please. When dotamu iwe wome wala wo wage ya ma wage ya pepper soup. I beg you with the name of God. Guys, let me leave you. I have a lot of things to do. This time I'm using now, I have a lot of things I have to do. Please let us be a good Nigerians. Let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. If today is your first time of seeing my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify. You will be the first person to share my video, to like my video. I love you all. Please be a good Nigerians. God bless you all.